Hi, I'm Nunu. Welcome to Too New For You, or so it seems. Today I'm going to show you a really quick, easy way to DIY a dress that you no longer wear. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to print out pictures of our favorite celebrity. In this case, I'm going to be printing out pictures of Chris Brown. So I got the new Chris Brown and the younger Chris Brown. So what I'm gonna do is just take my ruler and a pencil, and I'm just gonna cut the top part off, because I don't need the top part. We're gonna go ahead and cut on the line that we drew. Okay, so I'm going to be using this red dress. What I'm going to do is take the dress, and I know I want the picture right about here. But you want to just measure so that you're absolutely sure exactly where you want it. So 8 inches will be about right about there. So that's going to be just fine for me. So you can take your picture and just place it where you want it. And I'm doing the 8 inches. So it's gonna be about right there. So I'm still trying to decide which picture I wanna use. So what do you think? Young Chris Brown or old Chris Brown? You have to wait to the end to see which picture I ended up using. But let's keep going. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take our cling wrap and we're gonna wrap the picture. Just like this. Lift it up, fold it down, and then they got the cutter that's on the package, so you can just place it back in there and then cut it. And then you're gonna wrap the bottom of the picture once you cut it. All right, so we wrapped the picture frontwards and backwards, and then we went ahead and placed it on it. You're gonna tear your parchment paper and you're just gonna place it over the picture, and then you're gonna grab your heat press or your iron and you're gonna go ahead and it's gonna beep when it's done, but we're gonna still continue to go over the picture so that way we know the entire picture is going to be covered. And it's that simple, you guys. And just like that, we're all done. Thanks so much for DIYing with me today. If you like this type of content, please think about subscribing so you don't miss any of my next upcycles. Thanks for watching. Bye.